Hi, this is Rich DiBernardo, and I'm happy to introduce that we are rebranding our factory designer tool, and it's now going to be called iniVATE. We have a great young team of engineers that are working on the product, and I think you'll see that they're doing a fantastic job bringing it to the next level and really integrating AI and the latest technologies into the tool.
iniVATE is a comprehensive data analytics tool that will help simulate and explore future options for your plant. In our process, we'll take in the client's data, we'll look for any abnormalities in the data. We'll also get a first look at the high-level statistics that come out of the tool. The tool will then look up through our fuzzy logic AI into our internal material database if there's any material properties that are missing from our data sets. So we'll then take that data and we'll be able to scrub it and provide equipment recommendations to the client for budgets as well as a space perspective.
What I do is take the 3D models we generate and create a digital twin, which allows us to simulate the whole factory, starting off when a worker clocks in, then moving to all the pours he makes throughout the day, any equipment that is being used in the factory until the time the worker clocks out. This allows us to generate heat maps and pinpoint any clutter around the factory and improve our designs, as well as improve on our material movements, deciding what materials need to be stored where to improve worker flow. We use AI data-driven methods to create realistic simulations rather than depending on estimating equipment usage or worker production. This allows us to more accurately forecast and design our builds.
What we'd like to understand from our clients is what their budgetary guardrails are. Clients provide for us a basic roadmap of how they envision the plant being built in the years to come, and we make sure that we can phase out this equipment across 3, 5, and 10-year spans. So what we can do is provide calculations on how much efficiency and how much more batches we can get out the door and what the return on investment would be by adding our equipment and our efficiencies.
And if we come up with a solution that falls outside of those boundaries, we can go back and rerun the data while excluding certain workstations or totes or whatever we feel has pushed us over the budget limit. This is crucial because we can still provide data-backed solutions that meet our clients' needs while staying within the financial guardrails that they've given us. Another powerful aspect of the iniVATE data crunching tool is the ability to estimate future growth, which allows us to project an increase in batches and pours per day or per year.
We then move into the 3D modeling phase where we take a look at the entire process all the way from shipping, where we receive materials, through receiving, which goes through the small compounding, large, medium, mixing, pack out, and then out the door to your customer. And when we build these flows into our model, we highly improve on the efficiencies. And a lot of the plants that we work with are brownfield, meaning that we're walking into an existing space and we look to phase those with you and provide minimal disruption from your production space. And ultimately what we want to do is provide plant visibility so that our production manager can see what's going on everywhere in the plant at all times. He can understand where the constraints are, where there's demand building up, and where we can alleviate some of these bottlenecks.